Welcome to our channel. SMS Preview on Telegram allows you to see message content in notifications without opening the app. Here's how to enable this feature for convenient message management. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your smartphone. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Settings from the menu. Step 4. Tap on Notifications and Sounds to access notification settings. Step 5. Look for options related to message previews or notification content. Step 6. Find the setting labeled Message Preview or Show Preview. Step 7. Toggle the switch to enable Message Preview. When this is on, your notifications will display the sender's name and message content. Step 8. You can customize preview settings for different types of chats. Scroll down to see options for private chats, groups, and channels. Step 9. For each category, you can toggle message preview on or off individually depending on your privacy preferences. Step 10. If you want to see previews but maintain some privacy, you can enable Show Name only without showing the message content. Step 11. For iPhone users, you may also need to enable notification previews in iOS settings. Go to Settings Notifications Telegram and make sure Show Previews is set to Always or When Unlocked. Step 12. For Android users, ensure notification permissions are enabled for Telegram in your device settings under Apps Telegram Notifications. Step 13. Test your settings by sending yourself a message from another device or having a friend send you a Telegram message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.